Stange Law Firm is a multi-state family law firm with offices in various different states, and we're still growing, and that's a wonderful thing about our firm, is that we're adding offices, we're adding employees, and we're really going into new markets where there's a need for a firm like our firm that only practices in the area of divorce and family law. Stange Law Firm is a great work environment because there's lots of opportunities. So attorneys who want to be in court trying cases, who want to have interaction with clients, and they want to be on the front lines, there's lots of opportunities at Stange Law Firm to do that versus other firms where maybe the attorney's working more behind the scenes and learning. So for attorneys, being out and about, trying cases, being in court, arguing motions, having client interactions, and really being able to handle cases from beginning to end is something attorneys can do at Stange Law Firm, which is a wonderful thing. It can really help an attorney in terms of becoming a better attorney, being more successful, quicker, faster, and really learning on the job versus having to be behind the scenes in a law library, working underneath another attorney for a protracted period of time. So lots of opportunities to be in the limelight at Stange Law Firm. Clients come in waves. The firm does an excellent job marketing. The firm also has a brand name and goodwill in lots of places where clients just come. Literally, you can come in and worry about being a good attorney, being the best attorney you can be, and you can let the business and the marketing aspects of the firm sort of run itself. And that takes a lot of the pressure off at this firm versus an attorney who's working for another firm or is trying to open their own shop, having to balance being an attorney, a marketer, dealing with businesses, business issues, bank accounts, these kinds of things can be a lot more complex for an attorney. At Stange Law Firm, the beautiful thing is every day can be a little bit different. So for attorneys, it could be meeting clients in the office, it could be being in court, arguing a motion, maybe trying a case, could be doing some legal research. The firm also has lots of mentorship and growth opportunities where attorneys are able to attend attorney meetings. Paralegals and legal assistants are helping in terms of that client contact, helping in terms of preparing legal documents and putting things together and getting it filed with the courts. Obviously, we've got a lot of administrative staff as well in all kinds of different roles at the firm, from marketing to human resource to finance to client intake to client care. And all these individuals are working in their various roles within the firm as well, again, to allow the legal staff to focus on being the best advocates they can be for their clients in court. Yeah, I mean, I think some of the great things about Stange Law Firm is if you're an attorney, you get assigned an attorney who mentors you. So we do what's called a weekly pulse check. So the attorney meets with the more senior attorney at the firm who has maybe more experience, more insight, and that gives the attorney the ability to get that mentorship, to get the ideas, maybe the things they're not thinking about can be told to them, and that can really help an attorney in terms of being a better attorney, being able to really work off the experiences and the backgrounds of all the other attorneys at the firm. We have some after-hour productions where we help individuals learn how to try cases, learn how to do client intake consultations, so there's a lot of that too. Again, we're a multi-state law firm with offices in various states, so we're always looking for individuals at the firm who can be managers, can be leaders or directors, if you will, and then certainly attorneys, lots of opportunity to be in court, representing clients, advocating, which is really, from my experience, the only way to become a better attorney. It's hard to become a better attorney if you're in the law library all the time, working behind the scenes with another attorney. When you're on the front lines, when you're the one in court advocating for clients, when it's you trying that case, arguing that motion, that's how you get to be a better advocate and a better attorney, which is what's going to further your legal career now and into the future. Yeah, one of the great things about Stange Law Firm is we only practice family law, and so that is very different than a lot of other firms where the firm is engaging in practice in multiple areas of the law. So the great thing is when you work at the firm and you do this for a while, You know the ins and outs, you get to know the court system, you get to know the laws, you get to know the procedures, and you get to be really good at doing one thing, which I think is really advantageous as an attorney versus having to kind of do different areas of the law that maybe you're unfamiliar with and that you don't have the folks around you to rely on for their experiences. So I think these are all good things about Stange Law Firm. Yeah, there's lots of non-legal career opportunities at Stange Law Firm, for example, in human resources, or recruiting, or finance, or services and facilities. And then we've got client intake, a crew that just takes calls and responds to inquiries from potential clients. The client care, where you're helping ensure that the firm is providing the best possible service, to marketing. So we've got lots of individual opportunities for folks who aren't legal assistants, paralegals, or attorneys who want to work at Stange Law Firm and can help make this firm a much better place for everybody. The beautiful thing about Stange Law Firm is we've got great base pay for employees, so employees don't have to just simply work off commissions, eat what you kill, if you will, like you would at a lot of firms. At Stange Law Firm, there's a base salary for the full-time employees at the firm, and then we have lots of incentives on top of it. So for most employees, and particularly the attorneys and the paralegals and the legal assistants, if you meet certain productivity metrics, you can earn bonuses on top of the base pay. We also give out lots of awards at the firm, awards for things like teamwork, client satisfaction, Rainmaker awards. We also have other great things at the firm, and we give away tickets to a lot of sporting events that lots of employees at our firm definitely like to have. We've got a 401k with a 401k match. You can also opt into a Roth IRA. We've got other disability benefits, other benefits like that employees can opt into as well. So we've got a great array of base pay, incentives, and then certainly awards and bonus opportunities for individuals at the firm.